To set your business opening hours, simply go to the business section and then press opening hours. There's 4 columns, but this really just depends on whether you close for lunch as a business or not. If you don't, then you can simply just do 9 to 5 in the first 2, and that's done. If you do close for lunch, then just put in when you open, when you close for lunch, when you reopen after lunch, and then when you close for the end of the day. You can copy the hours to the rows below by just pressing this button on the right hand side here, so you don't have to type it out each time. If you want any days to be open by appointment only, then you can simply check this box in the column here. Once you're done, press Save Changes. At the bottom we have irregular opening hours, so this could be for something like Christmas. If we put in the 25th of the 5th, 2024, and we'll be closed on Christmas, so we'll leave all the times blank. We can also select Repeat on the right hand side because it's the same date every year, so this will just make these opening hours the same every time it gets to the 25th of the 12th. We can let's add Christmas Eve. So if we do the 24th of the 12th, 2024, and perhaps Christmas Eve we work 9 till midday, and then again we can press repeat. So when it gets to this date, these will be your opening hours, and these will display on the website for your customers to see. And once again, press Save Changes. So now that we have the main business opening hours and these irregular holiday hours, we have these options in the middle. Now these can be assigned to bookings, which you'll find in website settings, bookings. So this might be for test drives, it might be for vehicle viewings, and what you would be able to do is assign them in this little drop-down menu here. So at the moment we only have business because that's all we have created. But if we go back to opening hours in business, we can then assign, say, the delivery opening hours. And don't focus too much on the names. You can assign any of these to any booking type. Say that we only want customers to be able to book a vehicle viewing between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Then we can set up this set of opening hours to say that. We can press Save Changes. And now when we go to website settings, bookings, you can see that under this vehicle viewing booking, we can now assign the delivery opening hours. So when this appears on the website and gives the option for the customer to book a vehicle viewing, it will only give them what is in the delivery opening hours, which is 11 till 3.